12 things that happen to your body when you stop eating sugar. Eating a lot of refined, added sugars can lead to headaches, low energy levels, and inflammation. Cutting sugar out of your diet will likely decrease inflammation, boosts your energy levels, and improve your ability to focus. Here are the 12 things that happen to your body when you stop eating sugar. 1. You may live longer. When glucose spikes after eating sugary food, our insulin increases to compensate for it, and this activates a part of our nervous system which increases blood pressure and heart rate. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, as is type 2 diabetes and obesity, both of which have been linked to excessive sugar consumption. Sugar also increases unhealthy blood fats called triglycerides in the blood, which up risk for heart disease and stroke. In a 2014 study, published in JAMA Internal Medicine, those who ate the most added sugar were most likely to die from heart disease than their counterparts who consumed the least. 2. You'll lower type 2 diabetes risk. Quitting sugar gives your body's natural detox systems a chance to do their job. In the first couple of hours without sugar, your pancreas will start to produce less insulin and your liver will also start to catch up on processing stored toxins. This process will take a little longer if you are already insulin resistant, a pre-diabetes state in which your body produces the hormone insulin, but doesn't use it properly. The time for most of these symptoms to completely subside can run up to 5 weeks, at which point one will no longer be a slave to refined sugar. 3. You may catch fewer colds. Sugar contributes to chronic inflammation, which lowers our immune system's ability to fight off colds and flu. What happens to your body when you stop eating sugar? You're likely to have fewer sniffles year-round, and it may also help to reduce your allergy and asthma symptoms too. It's not too difficult to eat less sugar if you try these easy food swaps to reduce your sugar intake. 4. You may shed pounds. Sugar can be addicting, and when we decrease the amount that we eat, it also stops cravings, so we consume fewer calories and lose weight. When you eat refined sugar, your body may not get the signal that you're full, causing you to consume too many calories and gain weight. When you replace sugar with nourishing whole foods, your hormones will naturally regulate, sending signals to the brain when you've eaten enough. As a result, you'll lose weight without trying so hard, often within the first week, she says. Look out for these signs you are eating too much sugar. 5. You may feel happier. You might think eating a cookie will make you happy, but sugar consumption has been linked to higher rates of depression. This may be because sugar can lead to chronic inflammation, which impacts brain function. When you cut out sugar, you might feel that fog lift, along with your mood, in just 1 to 2 weeks. Research helps to back this up. Women who consumed foods that ranked high on the glycemic index, including those rich in added sugar, were more likely to be depressed than women who ate fewer of these foods, according to a 2015 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. 6. You may look younger. Sugar equals wrinkles. Sugar causes glycation, a process by which the sugar molecules bind to and deform the collagen and elastin in our skin. Collagen and elastin are the two main proteins that give our skin its youthful, supple properties, so we want to preserve them as much as possible. Giving up, or reducing, the amount of sugar you eat can also reduce glucose and insulin spikes in your bloodstream, reducing chronic and acute inflammation linked to aging. You can get your glow on within 14 days of giving up sugar. 7. You'll improve your breath and your smile. You're a sweet tooth as anything but when it comes to the health of your smile. Sugar is a major cofactor in causing cavities as it interacts with bacteria in your mouth to form the acid that causes decay. Your breath will also improve as sugar feeds the bacteria that cause bad breath. These benefits will be immediate and will only get better with time, he says. 8. You may have better sex. For men, eating sugar causes an insulin spike that drives pathways that reduce sex drive and function. Sugar also wreaks havoc on female sex hormones. This affects more than just sex life and desire. It can cause women to lose hair on their heads, and grow it on their faces as well as develop acne and irregular periods. Reversing these effects is among the benefits of cutting out sugar. 9. You may sleep like a baby. If it's loaded in sugar, your midnight snack may rob you of the ability to get a good night's sleep. People can develop low blood sugar and get night sweats if they have a sugary snack before bed. Eating sugar before bed can also supercharge stress hormones, which leads to trouble sleeping. What happens when you stop eating sugar? You will get higher quality Z's within 2 or 3 days of kicking the sugar habit, he says. 10. Reduced risk of heart disease. Overeating sugar is harmful to your heart. It raises your insulin levels chronically, which can result in increased heart rate and blood pressure. 11. Freedom from acne. A sugary diet is one of the basic contributors to acne issues. Even soda and fruit juices in packed bottles aren't doing you any favors. So, just avoid sugary junk. Well, it is not easy, but results in clear acne-free skin. 12. You'll improve your mental health. If you struggle with mental health issues like depression, those sweet treats you keep indulging in might not be doing you any favors. Research shows that diets high in sugar are linked to higher levels of depression and anxiety. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to receive our next educative videos.